Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to add a drop-down menu in hosting your website builder. There are two options. First method is creating a drop-down menu without a dedicated landing page. First, access the pages and navigation panel. In the website editor, expand the pages and navigate panel on the left side. And then add a new drop-down. Click on Add a new drop-down. This action inserts a drop-down item into your site's navigation menu. Last step is assign pages or links to the drop-down. Drag and drop existing pages or links beneath the new drop-down item. Ensure they are indented to appear as sub-items. Method 2. Creating a drop-down menu with a dedicated landing page. First is designate a main page for the drop-down. Within the Pages and Navigation panel, select an existing page or create a new one to serve as the main page. This page's title will be the drop-down's title. Second, organize sub-pages or links. Drag and drop other pages or links beneath this main page, ensuring they are intended to become sub-items. And that's basically it.